I seriously have no idea. It looks like cucumber, just that it's a very fat one. What is this? Oh my god. Hi there. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using today to cook pasta. So it'll be a tomato-based pasta. Then I'll be using these tomatoes over here and also some of the mushroom and adding in beetroot plus this I've identified as a zucchini and also some onion with the broccolini. It'll be a very simple vegetarian pasta and hopefully it will turn out okay. So wish me luck. So I'm done cutting up the ingredients, so I'm going to go ahead to smash the tomatoes and then after that pan fry the beetroot. Because this is my first time cooking beetroot, I have no idea what to expect of it or whether is this even ripe enough to be eaten. So yeah, I'm just going to trial and error and hope that the meal doesn't turn out too disgusting, okay? This is how the tomato looks like when it's blended. So I actually really feel that like my life is a lie. I always thought that by blending tomato I will get the super red tomato pasta look-alike blend instead of this very light pinkish blend that I have here. So oh my god, my confidence for this dish really dropped a lot. So if it really tastes very bad, then I will add in the pasta base that I have prepared instead of just relying on this for the taste. Currently the smell of the tomato is really strong and I'm really hating the smell. I think the pasta they use dried tomato and puree instead of using fresh tomato. So I'm not really sure how this will turn out. I think I'm just going to go ahead and add in the pre-made pasta base.
This one is like eating puree.
Yeah, you try, is it edible?
No, better.
This is damn disgusting. Oh my god, so disgusting. It's sour.
Very sour. Wow, I thought people 就是拿那个 base 倒进去，那你去弄 square 人家 show 你的你。
I never put any seasoning inside. I just want to see the taste. It's disgusting.
然后又不能摸手了。
Ah!
Put chili sauce, tomato sauce, put tomato sauce.
Oh my god.
Ketchup sauce.
So bad.
No, I don't put ketchup sauce.
Okay, I'm gonna use this to save this disgusting stew over here. Okay, after saving this with this, it smells a lot better. Okay, now it's edible. Let's give the beetroot a taste test. Oh my god! It actually tastes very sweet. So nice. Okay, so I'm gonna cook the pasta there and leave this to simmer while the pasta is cooking. No. This pan is actually super duper heavy. So I'm actually struggling to even hold it up. Okay, this thing is not heavy. Maybe I should host cooking with noobs then to annoy all the professional chef with my lousy skills. Do you think it will work? I should have used this in the first place. Struggling to hold up the pan. Oopsie. So let me know down below in the comments which move or which act that I did annoyed you the most while I'm cooking. I don't know, this may not look like a pasta to you, but this is normally how I usually eat my pasta. I like it really soupy, saucy. Is that what you call it? Sorry for the lousy presentation, but yeah, this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna add in the beetroot. The beetroot is actually very sweet, so pretty happily amazed. This was a surprise for me. Somehow it looks like curry to me. Does it look like curry to you? In some sunflower seeds. I'm so tiny. Okay, this is cooking with potato. Yeah, I think it looks quite unappetizing, but yeah, this is how I've lived my life so far, and I'm still growing strong and gaining more weight. So yeah, it's actually edible, don't worry. Hi! So now for the taste test, I have my guinea pig, my husband here, and
looks good.
let me introduce you. The top layer is the beetroot. So I stir fry it, then it tastes very sweet. Actually, it tastes like sweet potato. I was quite surprised.
Okay. Very nice.
Yeah, because I cheated, I used the pasta.
Now you put the sauce.
Yeah.
Tastes very good now.
So,
Then what is this? Yellow colour thing.
zucchini.
Yeah, very nice.
Okay, my turn to try.
This is also zucchini.
Yeah, the yellow one is zucchini.
The sauce
Okay
very good.
lah. Because I saved this dish with the pasta pre-mix one, so
Oh, very good. But
yeah.
I like the 口感 because you got a
Still
lot
eat
of
this.
the nuts.
yeah, that's my trick. Added texture.
Yeah, mushroom. Yeah, mushroom.
Okay, so I'm gonna enjoy my lunch, my brunch. Then after that, I'll prepare our dessert, which is the acai bowl. So stay tuned.
Wow, acai bowl.
You see my supportive husband, he finished everything.
Oh, super nice. Good job.
I think he's just good at lying.
Thumbs up, man.
Not fit, so irritating.
Hey, that's nice.
So if I cook this tomorrow, will you eat it again?
Yep. You're going tonight, I'll also eat it.
I wouldn't even eat it.
Every day. Every day.
Okay, I think I'm gonna give up here, so sorry for wasting food. Now I'm gonna prepare the acai bowl using the ingredients that they provided. So I'm gonna cut up the banana and then just add them all into the bowl. So looking forward to have ice cream after cooking and sweating so much. So I'm gonna cut the banana. Eee. Do you know you can use banana skin as a fertilizer? Be careful when doing this and don't cut yourself, okay? Actually, why I bring my chopping board here? I'm just lazy to wash another item, so I'm just cutting it using my hand as a cutting board. Warning, please don't try this if you are a kid. Okay, let's scoop the acai out so it comes in a pin and filled to the brim. Yay! Adding the fruits. Brazilian nut actually cannot eat more than one a day, I think. So I'm just gonna cut it into smaller pieces. Some almond. Obviously, my plating is very unglam. Just that's it. That's my acai bowl. Okay. So we're back for the taste test. This one I don't think it can fail, seriously.
Chocolate ice cream.
No, the acai blueberry. I also thought it's a chocolate ice cream.
Oh, nice. Ice cream, nice.
I don't taste like just pure blueberry.
Yeah, good, very nice.
So crunchy
Very
and
new.
great.
Cut smaller.
Lazy, yeah.
Yeah, ice cream is very nice.
I think I'll definitely buy this again.
Yeah, lor. I think it's worth it.
Okay, so that concludes this meal for the day. So can you give me a rating for the pasta just now?
5 times. Da, 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 da.
And how about this?
5 times. Da, da, da. Super good.
Okay, can. So yeah, I'll think about what to cook for dinner and then we'll come back with dinner.
Yay.
Now I'm going to show you how to make pickled vegetable with this cheap one, this cheating sachet from Daiso. Cut the vegetable and then put this powder inside and mix it. Now that they are all cut up, I'm going to put in the powder. So just mix it up. Now I'm going to transfer it into a container and put it inside the fridge. So now I'm going to be preparing dinner and I'll be using these vegetables and mushroom that I got from UGLYFOOD. So we have this lettuce, I think this is kailan, and then the onion and the remainder of the mushrooms that I use for lunch, and also kabocha. This is something very interesting for me. I've never tried cooking with kabocha as well, so I'm going to just stir fry udon and we'll see how it goes. Wow! I thought it's supposed to be orange inside. What? So what is this actually? Let's see. What? I don't think this is a kabocha, right? Now I'm lost. Actually feels like cucumber to me really, seriously. Even the feeling, the slimy feeling after you cut off the cucumber, that's exactly the feeling I'm having now. So what is this? Anybody knows if you can compost mushroom? Or will more of this mushroom grow up from the compost bin? So I've added my own sweet potato because I lost the yellow color for this dish. I don't want everything to look just green. So I'm gonna add this sweet potato into the stir-fried udon as well. Dinner is served. So the stir-fried udon and the pickled cucumbers and this additional thing that I feel that maybe the taste is a bit too bland or what. So this is dinner. Okay, let's do our taste test.
Hey, zucchini right?
Don't know.
Or potato?
Okay lor. I walk here smell.
Good, very nice. Like Hokkien Mee.
You try. At least suit the dish.
OK 咯，呢個比較涼涼，比較 clear 一點。
Okay, so we'll continue eating. Okay. So this is super filling and again we couldn't finish everything, so I think I need to work on my portioning. Yeah, so how was it?
Maybe I give 3 star out of 5.
Ah,
It's a bit like Hokkien Mee. It's a bit like Hokkien Mee. Hokkien udon. Hokkien udon.
okay, can.
But not bad lah, not bad.
I actually prefer this to the lunch actually, because this was in my safety zone, in my comfort zone, that I know how to cook stir fry stuff. So yeah, this was easier to cook for me. And yeah, looking forward to you being more of my guinea pig. But it's really very tiring to cook 2 meals a day. And yeah, I'm super tired now and I cannot imagine how all the mummies or the daddies in the world prepare meals for their kids twice a day or even sometimes 3 times a day plus doing housework. So yeah, so tired. I rather work actually. Then yeah, so that's a wrap for my weird cooking stuff. So yeah, I just like to say that for these ugly foods, right, I feel that I'm not very comfortable with cooking food that I don't know. So I think if I'm going to order again, then I will order the ones that I can pick instead of order them in a bundle. So unless you are really confident in your cooking and you know your stuff, or you actually maybe like to have a challenge to yourself to cook something new, then yeah, get the bundle. But if not, then I would choose to get from the pesticide-free categories and the ones that I can pick for myself. And of course, I will definitely still order the acai madness, which is the full set with the pint of acai plus the toppings and fruits. That is a definite must buy if you are buying from UGLYFOODs. And I still have quite a huge amount of stock inside the fridge that I haven't even used. So I think I can continue to cook like 2 or 3 meals using the food that I got from UGLYFOOD. So yeah.
Good job. High five.
Yay.
You did well.
So tired. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.
Bye.